Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a quick review and demo of this rolling bar cart that I received, and this is perfect for entertaining guests, storing wine bottles, wine glasses, and much more. Everything is packaged nicely out of the box. It has the metal framing, high-grade solid wood panels, 4 metal swivel wheels with brakes, edge guard rails, screws, and a tightening tool. You'll just want a small screwdriver to assist in the assembly, but I found it to be quick and easy. The whole process of getting it together took less than 20 minutes. Once finished, it was exciting to start storing items on this cart. You can add all kinds of beverages, snacks, and fruits to the bar cart in addition to the wine bottles and glasses. I love that this is on wheels because you can easily move it around the house to different areas depending on where you'd like to use it. It can fit in small spaces, matching the decor of kitchens and living rooms with ease, and is a great accessory for entertaining guests or perhaps complementing a romantic evening with somebody special. This reminds me of some of those nice bar carts that you see at luxury hotels, but this is for your home, and it makes it even more inviting to others. You can tell that this material is long-lasting and durable. It's giving me an excuse to throw a party, which I think I'm going to do. But I also love that it's multi-use. You can even use this to store books on, or you could roll this into your bathroom and use it to store accessories on those shelves. Great product. Thanks for watching.